It's a great day for hockey cards, and today we're going to take another shot at 2020-2021 SP Authentic Hockey. See if we can pull that guy's Future Watch Auto. He looks shocked, as though I already have. Guaranteed one Future Watch Auto per box. Usually get 2 autos total. The last box we opened, we pulled a pretty nice Austin Matthews. So hopefully we can duplicate that success. Got 5 cards per pack, 18 packs per box. May contain time-sensitive redemptions. May. Which kind of surprised me because this product came out 2 years behind schedule. Or, well, really about a year behind schedule. Let's get right into it. SP Authentic is usually one of the releases that people look forward to every year. Patrice Bergeron, Ryan Zingle, Mark Scheifele, and Brock Besser. Oh, base. That is not common. Usually get something in one of these. That's probably a good omen. I'm going to say that's a good omen. Jack Hughes, Dominic Kubalik. Oh, here we got a son of the times, Josh Morrissey, for your Winnipeg Jets. It's actually a pretty nice signature. A really nice design card. Not numbered. Josh Morrissey. Jake Guentzel. Jiggity Jake Guentzel. Tyson Barrie. So already pulled one auto right off the bat there, so we're still expecting our future watch. Getzlaf, Natty Mac, True Leaders, Alex Pietrangelo. We've got Philip Grubauer and Rasmus Dahlin. Carter Hart, Alexander Barkov. We've got a limited red of John Klingberg, Jonathan Huberdeau, and Ryan Suter. Now this pack feels like there's a bunch of air in it. Nick Suzuki, Andrei Svechnikov. We've got a retro of Vasilevsky, Braden Point, and JVR. So I have noticed it's not super uncommon, even though you're supposed to get 5 cards per pack. I've had quite a few, including in this box, but I've had 4. This is a super thick pack. But then, this definitely has more than 5 cards in it. So, we've got Teuvo Teravainen, Yanni Gourde, Andrei Svechnikov, Joe Pavelski, Mitch Marner. We've got 2 inserts here. We got Pekka Rinne. Then behind the blocker, we've got Patrick Kane and Nico Hischier. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cards in that 5-card pack. It happens. It's like a surprise. You're like, oh, look, bonus cards. Or, oh, look, I didn't get as many cards as I thought I was going to get. Fun times. David Perron, Alex Tuck. We've got a red of Brendan Gallagher, Artemi Panarin, and Tyler Seguin. Leon Draisaitl. Oh, we've got a Future Watch clear cut? I haven't seen these. Of Arthur Kaliev. Look at that. No numbering on it. So I know the clear cut Young Guns were sometimes in these boxes. There's a Kaliev Future Watch acetate, I guess. Wow, if you know anything about those cards, let me know in the comments. That's pretty neat. There's a retro of Hellebuck. There's a regular Hellebuck and a Dustin Brown. That is a really cool card. This is the third box of SP Authentic we've opened on the channel. Brendan Gallagher, John Gibson, Zach Parise, and Sean Monahan. So there's another pack where there's no insert in it. So I'm going to guess we're going to have... This one feels super thin. I'm guessing we're going to have a pack that has a bunch of stuff in it again. This is damaged because it's only base. Quinn Hughes and Brady Tkachuk in that pack. Only two. Two good players to get, though. I'll take them both on my team. And then this pack feels thick. But there's a decoy in here. Something shiny. Carey Price. Jordan Stahl. We've got a Spectrum FX of Roman Josi. Of course, it's part of the bounty program. Gino Malkin and Matthew Barzal. Matt Zuccarello, the Nuge. There's a Max Pacioretty retro. Dylan Larkin and that guy. This one, got another decoy in here. We've got Victor Olofsson, John Carlson, True Leaders Bo Horvat. And there's Darcy Kemper and Cal Palmieri. Anders Lee, Keith Yandel. We've got a celebrated moments, the most celebrated, the Stanley Cup. Lightning winning the cup in the bubble. No fans there. Steven Stamkos and Ryan O'Reilly. Braden Shen, Austin Matthews, and Sign of the Times, Tyler Bertuzzi for the Red Wings. That's not a terrible signature. Not numbered either. Josh Bailey, Colton Parayko. Now, does that mean we're going to get a third auto out of here and we're going to get a future watch out of here? Because we haven't pulled a future watch out of this box yet. Martin Jones, Kyle Connor, True Leader Claude Giroux, John Klingberg, and Zach Werenski. Bo Horvat, Petey. There's a SP Top Performers, Wayne Gretzky. PLD and Shea Theodore. Final pack. Connor McDavid, Seth Jones. Oh, here's our autograph future watch. It's Alex Belzile. So we got 3 autos out of there. So beating the odds there. Actually, we got 3 autos that weren't too bad either. They're more than just random scribbles. Matt Murray and Miro Heiskanen. So there you have it. 3 auto box of 2021 SP Authentic Hockey. Let me know what you think of the break in the comments below. And let me know what you know about that Kaliev card if you know anything. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.